Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage dark color enhancement in Onyx Boox Poke 2. To do this, we have a few different options. The first one is on our navigation bar on the bottom right here. You can click on that button and it should open this pop-up. Inside you can adjust your dark color enhancement. The other way to do it is to scroll down notification bar settings bar from the top right corner of the screen like this, and then you can find e-ink center right here. You can also click on it and it will do the same thing. Now you'll be able to adjust a color enhancement. Now in case both of the options doesn't work for you, you can find the e-ink color right there, then center right there. Then you can click on this pen button and inside move the e-ink center from the bottom up right there, and you'll be able to adjust it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.